Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to replace a thermostat on a Nissan Altima. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal. Next, you'll need to drain the old engine coolant into a proper container. This step is crucial for a clean workspace and to avoid spills. Finally, gather all your tools, including a new thermostat and gasket, to be ready for the next steps. Now let's find that thermostat. It's usually located where the lower radiator hose connects to the engine block. You might need to remove some air ducts to get a clear view. Once visible, use a 12mm socket to loosen and remove the two bolts holding the housing. Be prepared for some residual coolant to drain out. Then, gently pull out the old thermostat and its gasket. With the old thermostat out, it's time for the new one. First, clean both mating surfaces to ensure a leak-free seal. Install the new thermostat, making sure its small jiggle valve is positioned at the 12 o'clock position. Place the new gasket, then reattach the housing. Use your torque wrench to tighten the two bolts to 16 foot-pounds, preventing over-tightening and damage. Almost done. Reconnect the lower radiator hose and securely close the radiator drain plug. Now, slowly refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture. Remember, about 2 to 4 liters of coolant may remain in the engine. Start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air. Finally, check for any leaks and take a short test drive, monitoring your temperature gauge closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.